No meat, no stress. Just rich vegetable that slaps every time. Hi faves, welcome back to my kitchen. And if you're new here, thank you for stopping by. Today we're making simple budget-friendly ugu sauce and there is no protein needed. Cook with me guys. I started by heating up some oil, and when that was hot enough, I added my chopped onions. Let that fry little and then go in with some herbs. Also give that a good mix. Then I added my roughly blended pepper mix and stir that together for everything to cook. Then I added my tomato paste. You can use fresh tomatoes for this or you can completely skip this step. Then we'll give that a good stir for it to fry very well. Then I added my seasoning and stirred it together to combine. I didn't use any salt for this, but you can always use salt if you want. Always adjust to your taste. Finally, I added my blanched ugu. Not raw, not overcooked. Blanching helps preserve the color, that vibrant green, and also preserves the nutrients. I didn't let it sit for long, just a few stirrs to combine everything properly, and it was ready. The result, a thick, vibrant and healthy sauce that doesn't need meat to taste complete. You can enjoy this with rice, yam, boiled plantain, or even all by itself. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And let me know in the comment section what you'd pair this with. See you in the next video.